What's up guys, Sam here, and today is the day we go to the Slide and Splash Park water thing, I don't know what you'd call it. Remember my last couple of videos, if it was, we went to the Aqua Show one. It was pretty fun, but I think as the Slide and Splash one's going to be better because there's more slides, because it is called the Slide and Splash, and there's a big wave, there's a big massive wave one. That's the biggest one in the park. Hopefully I'll be going on that one because it just looks so awesome. You go around a big drop and you go up a big mountain thing and then you slide back down and then you go down in the water and then another tunnel. And yeah, I'm after getting up. My throat isn't as best today, so that's why I'm like okay, you get it. If I'm sitting down in the same place again, this is probably where let you know when we're in the taxi. In the car now and we're going. We arrived at Slide and Splash, but we have to wait in a line now, which is like he's scary. Oh my god, look at this, I remember all of this. What? We're going to go at all of them. So we're in the locker area now, but I'm going to just part from this camera now and I'm going to move on to the GoPro. So yeah, let's change to the GoPro in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're using the GoPro right now, so let's just go into the slides.
I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true. Now give me the secret, man cub. Come on, clue me what to do. Give me the power of man's red flower so I can be like you. Oh. You said true. Can they like me? Can like to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You said true. Can they like me? Can like to be human too. Oh.
So right now we're getting some food and I'm still using the GoPro. And hi Adam. Careful. Okay, so waiting on our hot dog, and then we're getting a Diet Coke. So I'm back using my normal camera now. I didn't do that much with the GoPro because some of the rides I weren't allowed to use them. So right now we're going to go see an oil show, I think. So yeah. I'm glad there's shade seats, and that's when the show's going to happen over there. We have to wait a couple of minutes. Oh my god, there's birds. Birds, oh my god, they're so cute.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around, oh. You said true. Can they like me? Can like to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You said true. Can they like me? Can like to be human too. Oh.
So we're leaving the birds for now because we have to get a taxi and go back to the apartment. I don't know what we're doing then, so stay tuned. Just feeling the heat out of this taxi is it's warm. Right, we're heading back now. Oh my god, these are so clear. Let you know when we get back. Okay, we arrived back and I'm so tired because I had a tiny sleep in the taxi and that made me extra tired, and I don't know, oh my god, I'm so tired. And I found out, going down to Fat Cats, okay, thank you, they're gonna come round. Hi! Hi. We're back in the apartment and Ruben is here. Oh my god, it's so clear. Come on, let's do it again. It's a crack of an egg and it's just... Wait. Hey, how's it going? After having a shower, let's just put on some aftershave. Let's just put on some deodorant. Gotcha. Oh my god, no way. That's magic. Hello.
Hello.
So awkward. Oh my god, look at that sun. Oh. Hello, it's me, Sparky. Hey buddy, how you doing? Adam here at Fat Cats. Chicken curry arrived again. Let's eat it. Master playing some Chloe Adam and I beat him as usual because he's the crappiest pool player ever. Do not comment that in his video if you've just heard that right now because he'll know that I says it. Don't tell him please. It got dark very quick anyway because oh my god, I'm getting so tired. Oh my god, look at my eyes, they're so damn blue. Woo! We might be going to the other bar across the street. I think it's called Agnes's bar. We went there last night because I was that tired. I had to go home early, so okay guys, we're leaving Fat Cats now. It's back there. I know we're leaving it now though. It doesn't really matter.
No, we did leave.
We're just after leaving.
Sam, you shouldn't have had that pint.
What pint?
Exactly.
Anyway, how do you pronounce this? Agnes's?
Angelus.
Angelus.
Angelus bar.
Angeline's?
No, Angelus.
Okay, anyway, Angelus bar. Adam, are you gonna get a pint this time?
I don't drink, Sam.
I do.
No,
saw you the street the other night smoking.
Did you see me?
Smoking marijuana.
Shit, he caught me, guys.
Sweet. I'm joking, he doesn't smoke except vape.
Vape Nation, y'all.
As soon as I says vape, he vapes. Like.
Love yourself.
That's how they sang. Oh, and also, the lady at the counter before we sang, she gave us sunglasses for free. I don't know why, she just gave us for free. They're awesome, better than these here. Where did I lose them? I don't know, but these ones are better. I have to realise they're on my freaking chest. Okay, after having a good time, because right now, oh my god, it is 1:35. It's getting me a little late, but we might head up back to the apartment now. I'm still not tired. I don't know why I'm not tired. I think it's the amount of coke I drank. Anyway, we're heading back up. I might end up vlogging right there. I don't know if we're doing anything different, but we'll see. Okay, so we're leaving Agnes's bar now, and we're going back to the hotel, back to the apartment now because I'm seriously tired. Because tomorrow we have one freaking day left. One. It went so quick for me. It's probably going slow for you guys because you're like, why keeping the vlogs? Okay, anyway, she's up in the apartment. No, come here. No. Hello. Where is it going? Hello. Okay, bye. Alright guys, we're back in the apartment now and I'm eating a donut for my supper because why the hell not? I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If you enjoyed, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.